Well, hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I know you've been wondering, where is Joy? Where is Joy? As you can see, Joy is looking a hot mess, but that's okay because tomorrow I go to the salon to get this head right. It's not looking too bad after being at never mind, it's too much information. But anyway guys, I wanted to hop on here right quick because I just used this glue away adhesive remover from the Dollar Tree, and I will say, if you see this stuff at the Dollar Tree, at your Dollar Tree, pick it up, okay? Pick it up because it really works. So I am going to demonstrate. Now this doesn't have too much adhesive on it, but it does have some on there. I am going to spray this on here, right? Now it has a strong odor, and I really should have my mask on considering my needs, right? I'm special needs because I have a lung disease. But nevertheless, I wanted to demonstrate this stuff. You see, it is working. I have it all over. It's, you know, going over this adhesive that was left over. I'm getting ready to use this stuff in an upcoming project, and as you can see in that center, I have covered it completely, and now I am going to use this rag to wipe it away. Now I will say that you will need to look at that, guys. It is gone. That adhesive is gone. I will say you would need to use some soapy water to remove the oily film from this. But guys, look at that. It is gone. Now here, it's a little piece. Let me see. I don't think it got all the way down to that area yet, but it might be on the inside of the jar. But nevertheless, guys, it's gone. Here's the one I did earlier. And let's try it again. You see this? And I don't even think you need to use that much, but I did because, you know. And let's let this sit for a few. Now this is a little bit more stubborn. So let's see if this will work on this. Now I'm pretty sure that it will because it worked on this one. But stay tuned. Now guys, it works, right? But I'm getting a little impatient. So you have to leave this on when it's real stubborn. The direction says, I think it said 4 to 8 minutes. But when it's real stubborn like this, you're gonna have to get some, use your elbow. But as you can see, I can't lift my arm that high. But let me bring it down some. Hopefully you can see. You don't have to get some elbow grease. But as you can see, it's coming off. This stuff works. And I would say it works better than Goo Gone. I'm just impatient and don't want to wait. I got projects to do. But as you can see, it works. So do I recommend this? Absolutely. Run to your local Dollar Tree and pick you up some of this glue away. Again, it has a strong odor. So I will advise, if you have sensitivities to smell, to wear a mask when using it, and make sure you're using it in a well ventilated area. But it works, and it works better than Goo Gone. I don't even know if it's part of the Goo Gone family, but oh, it's by the Awesome Products. Okay, so get you some. I bought 2, so I'm glad I did. Make sure I get it all off, because I'm going ready to do a project with these that you will see. Again, excuse the hair, but it is Friday night, and I've been busy all week, and that's why you haven't seen any Joy videos this week. I had a very busy week, so yeah, until the next video, bye for now.